Dr. Lisa Woods. I'm a neurobiologist working in the laboratory for biochemistry and proteomics at Clarkson University. I'm working with a group that's trying to identify biomarkers for autism spectrum disorder in blood, sera, and saliva taken from children with autism. We're comparing it to blood and saliva of kids who don't have autism. What we're hoping to find is proteins that can give us some idea of what might cause autism, but we're also interested in being able to diagnose autism. So imagine if you could take blood or saliva from even a very young child, even an infant, and predict whether or not that child was likely to develop autism. You'd then be able to treat that child as early as possible, at as young an age as possible. And we know from extensive research that the younger you treat kids with autism, the more likely they are to have more normal behaviors and a more normal life. So we think that this is a very important project, and we really are very grateful for any support that you can give us. Thank you.
Hi there, my name is Ahmed and I'm a grad student at Clarkson University.
My name is Isabella. I'm a graduate student here in Biochemistry and Proteomics group at Clarkson University.
I'm Kelly Wormwood. I'm Judy Bucklucher.
To start an experiment, we first separate proteins found in blood or saliva. One way is through gel electrophoresis, which Isabella is showing here. When the gel is finished, this is what it looks like. You can see the proteins are separated by their molecular weight. Here you can see Katie and Kelly cutting the proteins out of the gel to prepare it for mass spectrometry. This is one way of separating proteins. We can also separate them in a solution. Here you can see Isabella showing you the mass spectrometer. This is really the workhorse of our experiments. It produces spectra, which you can see on the computer screen. It can generate a very large quantity of information, and we really need complex software to be able to analyze all that information and all of those spectra and to understand what they mean.
Hi, my name is Dr. Dari. I run the Biochemistry and Proteomics group at Clarkson University, and we try to raise funding for purchase of a software that will allow us to use it to identify serum biomarkers and saliva biomarkers for autistic spectrum disorder. We will appreciate any support that you might give us. Thank you.